Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial how to apply for an ARES scholarship. Throughout this video, I will help you to put in your application. In this program, you'll be able to apply for one of the specialized bachelor's, master's, or even ongoing trainings in Belgium. Let's get started and find out the 4 different steps you need to follow. These are where to get relevant information, check all the conditions for eligibility, how to put in your request, and finally, how to submit your application. To start with, where to get information. That's quite simple. Simply log in to ARES website on www.ares-ac.be. Then, click on Development Cooperation. Now, continue browsing and click on the tab Scholarships. Read carefully all the information and then click here to get more information on scholarships and the call for applications you're applying for. On this page, you'll see all the information about the call, but also about the different training courses. Read carefully every detail about specialized bachelor's, specialized master's, ongoing trainings. Pay attention to admission formalities related to some training courses. For instance, some of them require the making of a draft. Anyway, you will find all the details on the website, such as the goals, the study program, specific admission requirements, organizing institutions, and so forth, so on. The second step is to make sure you meet all the different conditions for eligibility, failing which your application will not be admissible. These conditions are the following: professional experience requirements, a language of the training course, diploma requirements, as well as your nationality, place of residence, and workplace. Remember this: you may apply for one training course only. Moreover, don't miss the deadline. After clicking on this link, you will be directed to a form to create your GIRAF account. For more details, you'll have to download the attached document. This tab is the first step to create your GIRAF account. Now, insert your email address. If you already have a GIRAF account, use it again. You can also reset your password if it ever slipped your mind. Then, click on Next Step. Fill in the blanks for your profile on GIRAF. Keep in mind that your account might not be validated right away. It can take some time, from a few hours to a few days. So please, don't panic if you don't get any immediate feedback. You don't need to create many accounts. Whatever happens, a confirmation email will be sent to you as soon as your account is validated by ARES, just for you to insert your password and log in. Quick little tip, don't forget to check your spam box. Then log in with your password. If you forgot your password, click on Reset the Password. Once connected to your GIRAF account, click on the tab Competitive Calls, and then click on Master's and Bachelor's Scholarships related to your academic year. I insist, this is the only way to have access to the form. Once downloaded, fill in the blanks before you first save it as draft. We highly advise you to save it as draft whenever you download a new document to your form. Keep in mind that the form expires in case of prolonged inactivity. Therefore, don't forget to safeguard your data whenever you insert them. If you ever decide to complete it in several stages, don't forget to save it as draft every piece of information you mention. The draft version of your form is in the tab My Tasks, and it can be modified by clicking on Open. Last step, but definitely not least, submit your application. Prior to that, make sure all the blanks have been completed and all documents required have been downloaded. Then, click on Submit Application. From then on, you can no longer consult your form in the tab My Tasks. To find it, click on Mes dossiers soumis. Once submitted, it can no longer be modified. This means there's no turning back. To sum things up, make sure you meet the deadline. We urge you to set up your application ahead of time and to submit it without delay. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.